Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to scan a QR code in Brawl Stars. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to launch the Brawl Stars application on your device, on your Android or iPhone device, and ensure you're logged in into your account. And then you have to go to the settings menu, tap on the gear icon located in the main menu to access the settings menu. Select the QR code option, so look for the scan QR code option within the settings menu and tap on it to enter scanning mode. Align the QR code, position your device's camera over the QR code you want to scan, make sure it's centered and fully visible in the frame. And then you just have to confirm the scan. Once the QR code is recognized, follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. Enjoy the rewards or features unlocked by the scan. Alternatively, if you are on an iOS device like an iPhone, you can just open up your camera app and you can just scan a QR code from the camera app on an iPhone or another iOS device that you're using. And that's about it, guys. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.